everyone. Welcome back to World Talk, the podcast where we talk about real life, real feelings, and real English. I'm Jenna.
And I'm John, and today we're going somewhere deep. We're talking about anxiety.
Yes, and before anyone thinks, oh no, this is going to be heavy, don't worry. We're not therapists. We're not here to diagnose anyone. We're just two people having an honest conversation about something almost every single person on this planet deals with.
Because anxiety doesn't care who you are, where you're from, how successful you are. It shows up, sometimes quietly, sometimes loudly, and most of the time, people just don't know what to do with it.
So today, we'll talk about what anxiety actually is, how to recognize it, and the most important part, practical things you can do to feel better, plus English tips woven right in, learning the language and taking care of your mind at the same time.
Double win. Let's go. And hey, if this episode speaks to you, share it with one person who might need it today. That's the best thing you can do for us and for them. Okay, let's dive in.
Let's start at the beginning. What even is anxiety? Because I think a lot of people confuse it with just being stressed or nervous. They're related, but they're not the same thing.
Right. Stress is usually a reaction to something happening right now. A deadline, traffic, a late night message from your boss. It comes, you deal with it, it goes.
Anxiety is different. It's worry about things that haven't happened yet or things that might never happen. Your brain goes into this loop. What if? What if? What if? And it just won't stop.
And here's the wild part. Anxiety is actually ancient. It's a survival mechanism. Thousands of years ago, humans needed that constant alertness to stay alive. Is there a tiger nearby? Is that food safe? That worry kept people alive.
But now, there are no tigers, and our brain hasn't fully caught up with that. So instead of tigers, we worry about emails, about what people think of us, about things we can't control.
Which means feeling anxious doesn't mean something is wrong with you. It means you have a human brain. The problem is when that alarm system gets stuck in the on position.
Let's talk about how anxiety actually shows up, because sometimes people don't even realize they're anxious. They just feel off, like something is wrong, but they can't explain what.
Physically, tight chest, racing heart, shallow breathing, stomach aches, sweaty hands, trouble sleeping. Your body is literally preparing to run from that tiger that doesn't exist.
Mentally, overthinking, replaying conversations, imagining worst-case scenarios, like your brain has 50 tabs open and none of them are loading properly.
And emotionally, irritability, exhaustion, even when you haven't done much. Anxiety is tiring. Worrying all day is genuinely exhausting work, even if you're just sitting still.
Why does it feel like everyone is anxious these days? Is this new? Are we just more aware of it? Or is something actually different?
Probably both. We're more aware of mental health now, but also the world is genuinely more overwhelming, more connected than ever, but somehow more isolated. More choices, more noise, more comparison.
Social media is a big one. You wake up and immediately see everyone's highlight reel. Perfect life, perfect body, perfect career. And your brain starts comparing. That comparison feeds anxiety like fuel feeds fire.
And the news, designed to keep you scared and clicking, so we live in a state of low-level alarm almost constantly. And over time, that becomes the new normal. You forget what it actually feels like to relax. Hey, quick pause. If you're listening and thinking, wow, this is exactly how I feel, you're not alone, and you're not weird. Drop a comment telling us, does anxiety show up more in your body or in your mind? We read every single one.
Okay, let's get to the good part. Real practical tools, things that actually work.
Tool number 1, breathe, but really breathe. Box breathing. Inhale 4 counts, hold 4, exhale 4, hold 4. It tells your nervous system we are safe. You can slow down.
Tool number 2, name it. Say this is anxiety, not I am anxious. One makes it your identity, the other makes it something that's happening. Small shift, huge difference.
Tool number 3, move your body. Anxiety is energy with nowhere to go. A 10-minute walk burns through stress hormones and releases chemicals that genuinely make you feel better. Movement is medicine.
Tool number 4, limit your inputs. You don't have to read every article, scroll for hours, watch every alarming headline. Protect your attention. What you consume affects how you feel a lot.
Tool number 5, talk about it. Anxiety grows in silence. When you put words to it, it gets smaller. Naming the monster makes it less scary.
Tool number 6, ask yourself, is this real or is this a story? Anxiety loves to tell stories. Everyone thinks I'm boring. Something bad is going to happen. Ask, is this a fact or is my brain making things up? Most of the time, it's a story.
English practice. Talk about your feelings.
Here's the part we love, giving you real ways to practice English using exactly what we talked about today. The best way to learn is to use the language in real situations.
Activity 1. Write 3 sentences in English describing how you feel today. Use the words we taught: anxious, overwhelmed, on edge, burned out. Just 3 sentences. That's it.
Activity 2. Next time you feel anxious, say it out loud in English. I'm feeling a little overwhelmed right now. My mind won't stop racing. I need to wind down. Speaking your feelings in a new language is incredibly powerful.
Activity 3. Pick one phrasal verb today and use it in a real conversation this week. To freak out, to wind down, to let it go. Say it out loud. Repetition builds fluency.
Activity 4. Tell someone in English one thing that makes you anxious and one thing that helps you calm down. You'll practice the language and process your feelings at the same time. Double healing.
Before we go, if your anxiety is really affecting your life, please talk to a professional. There is no shame in that. Asking for help is one of the bravest things a person can do.
Anxiety isn't a character flaw. It's not weakness. It's a real thing that real people deal with, and it can get better with the right tools, the right support, and a little patience with yourself.
And remember, you just listened to an entire episode in English about a deep emotional topic, used new vocabulary, learned real expressions. That's growth, real growth.
If this episode was helpful, hit that like button. It means the world to us and helps more people find World Talk. And if you're not subscribed yet, now is the perfect time. We're building something special here, and we want you to be part of it.
Take care of yourselves. Be gentle with yourselves. See you in the next one. Bye, everyone.